Wagwan beautiful people, this is Nino from Nino and Lo. Welcome to Cooking with Nino. Today I'm going to be making calamari. Now a lot of us go out to restaurants and buy calamari, but I'm going to show you how to do it from home. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and let's get going. Normally you use a tzatziki sauce for your calamari, but I'm going to put together a secret sauce. Here are the ingredients.
Relish, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, ketchup, fresh lemons, and chili pepper.
So we're going to start off by cutting up our chili pepper, and do remember that a lot of the heat is going to be in the seed. So be careful how much of the seed that you put in. Then you're going to put in a bowl some mayonnaise, add a teaspoon of relish, and a little squirt of ketchup, 1 or 2 squirts of mustard, and some lemon, fresh lemon squeezed in there. Be careful not to add the seeds. And just give it a little stir. Combine all the ingredients. Just add your chili pepper, give it a nice stir, and just put that away in the refrigerator, and we'll move on to the next step. We're going to get our flour together. We're going to season that up with some salt, some pepper, some thyme leaves, as well as some garlic powder. So you can find a calamari pre-cleaned and ready to go in your local grocery store. Just cut up the calamari rings about 1 inch thick and just get it all in a bowl. Once you have that all in a bowl, then it's time to season it. Make sure you season with your garlic powder, salt and pepper, as well as some fresh thyme leaves. And we're ready for the dredging. Take them one by one and just dredge it in the flour to ensure that nothing is sticking together. We just got to separate them. And just take your hand and just cover it over with the flour. Just get it all coated with the flour. And from that, we're just going to shake off any excess flour that we have while we have our frying pan or Dutch pot just heating up with oil. And we're just going to drop them in one by one. If you drop them in a lump, they're going to all clump together. So it's always wise to do them individually. You just got to make sure that your oil is nice and hot to avoid them from sticking together, and just drop them in individually and just move them around with a perforated spoon just to ensure that there's nothing is sticking together and each individual piece of calamari is being fried. Once you get it all fried, just get a nice little strainer or scoop and just scoop them right out of there. Ensure all the excess oil is drained off, and now it's time to plate. So don't forget to add a few lemon wedges to your dish. And once we get that going, just a little dip in our sauce, and we're going to give it a taste. My goodness, that is so good. So this is an easy dish that you can prepare at home, and let me tell you, you're really going to enjoy the preparation as well as eating it. It'll beat any restaurant quality out there because you're taking the restaurant quality and preparing it at home. Your family's going to enjoy this. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the flip side.